Hello friends, welcome to my channel Karthik's ICSE Learning. So today we are going to learn about matrices, the third part. As I told you in the last video, actually I was a bit sick, so I was not able to upload any videos and not create. So now I'm back and let's continue with the topic. So in the last video we learned that how to multiply an element outside of the matrix with the matrix and addition and subtraction of the matrices, two or more matrix, and equating the matrix. So today we are going to learn how to multiply two or more matrix. So if suppose then there is any condition given here as suppose AB, the A matrix is 1 5 2 3 and the B matrix is 2 6 1 2. So we multiply it with the element, the consecutive element. So the order of matrix is 2 into 2 and this also is 2 into 2. So the matrix means the multiplication is possible. So if you want to take how to multiply to matrix, so 1 into 2 is 2. Understood? 1 into 2 is 2 and 5 into 1. First row, first column. Then first row, second column. Then second row, first column. And then second row, second column. Understood? So I first multiply these two numbers with these two. So first row, first column. So 1 into 2 is 2 and we have to add the two numbers which we are multiplying. Suppose 1 into 2 is 2 and 5 into 1 is 5 plus 5. Then first row, second column. So 1 into 6 is 6, 5 into 2 is 10. Again, now second row, first column. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Again, second row, second column. 2 into 6 is 16. 12. 2 into 6 is 12 plus 3 into 2 is 6. So this is how we multiply two matrix. 2 into 2 plus 5 is 7. 10 plus 6 is 16. Here is 7 again, and here it is 18. So this was an example how to multiply two matrix. So you can copy it down, an example. And friends, today we are going to learn and solve some board questions which are available in the ML Agarwal book. Today I am going to start with Arihant publication books, which is good for board questions, and they give board questions very prominently. I'll tell you the book, I'll show you the cover. You first copy it down. So I hope you have understood it. So I knew how the results came this time. It's very nice. The pandemic was going on, but then too the teachers made it for correction, and I'm very happy that the result was very good. So students, it's high time now. You should start learning. You should start grasping the board the elements which you are uh, reading, writing, and you need to develop your skills so that you score good in boards. You have to do smart work as well as hard work. That means you have to study a lot, at least 8 hours a day, or nonetheless at least 6 hours a day. So this was my board exams preparation. I got it today. This was the formula sheet which I made for boards. You should even try it so that you memorize the formula very quickly and you don't have to search for any formulas. So you should make a sheet. Now we are going to learn. We are going to solve sums. So this is basically the book Ariane Publications of ICSE chapter wise, topic wise. All you can, if you don't have time, they have the sum solved at the back of the book, so you can look at it if you don't have time, but I expect you to solve. So the first question is, here it is 19th one. It's a board question from 2012 book. So here it is given a is equals to 3 1 minus 1 2, and I is equals to what is I? What is I? It is identity matrix. It's always universally as 1 0 0 1. So you have to find a square minus 5a plus 7i. A square minus 5a plus 7i. So how to find it? So first we have to just fill the values here. A square, so 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2. You cannot just directly square these numbers internally. You have to solve by making two brackets and then you have to solve it. Actually that is matrix multiplication, and 90% cases are possible that these types of questions are asked in the exams. When I was there in sitting for boards giving the exam, there was a question in section A saying that the trigonometric values were given and you had to prove the LHS and RHS. So in matrix, inside the box, you can even have trigonometric values. We will solve that later. First let's get on to this. Minus 5a. This is what I taught you in the last lecture, last video. Plus 7i. 1 0 0 1. If the value of I is not given for 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix, you have to assume it as, not assume, you have to take it as 1 0 0 1. It is a universal matrix. So 3 into 3. Wait, I'll do it up only. So there is less of space. So here it's equal to 3 into 3 is 9. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So 9 plus of minus 1 is 9 minus 1. You can even directly do it. 3 1s are 3. 1 2s are 2. Plus 2. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. And 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 and 2 into 2 is 4, so plus 4. I hope you are understanding. Minus 5 into 3, you don't have to multiply the minus sign inside, otherwise all the subtract, addition and multiplication will go wrong and you will get the final answer wrong. 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, and 5 into 2 is, sorry, it's 10, my mistake, plus 7 into 1 is 7, and 7 into 1 is 7. So you directly write 7007. So I think I can rub it. I hope you have copied it. Is equals to 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Sign of the greater number goes 15, 5, minus 5, 10. You write these two matrices as it is, plus 7007. So 8 minus 15 is minus 7. First, if you are good at math, you can directly solve these three matrices at a go. But if you are not as good as fast solver, you can even first solve these two, and then the answer you get for solving these two you can add with this matrix. So for making you all understandable, I am solving first this, and then the answer which we get I am adding with this. So 8 minus 15 is minus 7, 5 minus 5 is 0, minus 5 plus minus of minus plus, minus 5 plus 5 is 0, 3 minus 10 is minus 7, plus 7007 is equals to minus 7 plus 7 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So here you get a null matrix. As an answer, you can even write the whole matrix as just 0. It's possible to write it. It's okay to write it. You can copy it down. So I hope you have understood. See friends, if you want to score good in board exams, you have to start working from the month of July or from August. I started from August and I scored 95%. It's not what I expected, but yes, I got it. It's true. I can even show you my marks, the certificate, the mark sheet. So we move on to the next sum. The next sum we have as 2, 1 minus 3, 4. X is equals to 7, 6. So first we are told to find the order of matrix of X. This is multiplication. If I write X here, multiply sign here, you will understand as 2x and you will multiply it. So I am representing it with a dot. So the order of matrix of this matrix is 2 into 2, and of this is 2 into 1. So you have to take the number of columns of this matrix and number of rows of this matrix. So you have to take this and this. Understanding? I hope you have understood it. So for finding the order of matrix of X, you have to first look for the number of rows here and number of columns here. Number of rows and number of columns. So the order of matrix of X is 2 into 1. So we have to assume a matrix X, so we have to take let matrix X be A B. You can put any variable mn, xy, zx, any variable, but I am taking here as AB. If you take X, you don't take X, otherwise you will be not able to understand and differentiate between these two X. So I am taking A and B. So for solving, I take the equation 2, 1, minus 3, 4 into A, B is equals to 7, 6. So 2 into A is 2A, 1 into B is 1B. So I write plus B. And second is minus 3A and 4. So these two are only one element of a matrix is equals to 7, 6. You can copy it down. You can. So now after this we are going to equate both matrix. You write it down till here. After that I will rub this and then we will solve ahead. I hope you have copied it. You can even copy by pausing the video. So after equating, we get two equations. First one is 2A plus B is equals to 7. This is the first equation. And second is minus 3A plus 4B is equals to 6. This is the second equation. So we multiply the first equation with 4 and the second with 1. So we get 2A, sorry, it's 8A because 2 into 4 is 8A plus 4B is equals to 28 and minus 3A plus 4B is equals to 6. I'm rubbing this also now. I hope you have no issues. So this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So this gets crossed off and we get here as 11A is equals to 28 minus 6 is 22. So A we get here as 11. Oh, sorry, it's 2. And we put A is equals to 2 in equation 1. So what's equation 1? 2 into A plus B is equals to 7. 2 into 2 plus B is equals to 7. 2 into 2 is 4 plus b is equals to 7. B is equals to 7 minus 4 is 3. So A here we get as 2 and B here we get as 3. But we are not told to find A and B, we are told to find the matrix X. So matrix X is A, B, we get matrix X as 2, 3. I hope you have understood it. You can copy it down. Now friends, these all were the 3 marks question. Now we move on to 4 marks question. I hope you have copied it. You can even copy by pausing the video. Third question. A is equals to 2 0 minus 1 7 and I is equals to, see students, friends, after here the I value is given in boards, it can be or cannot be given. It's easy to remember the value of I, it's just 1001. So we are told to find A square is equals to 9A plus Mi. I here is given, A is given, we are told to find M. So how to find M? Let's see. A square. First we solve the left hand side. A square is equals to 2 0 minus 1 7 into 2 0 minus 1 7. You can even directly take LHS and RHS, solve it and just equate both things. But if you do it like this, that is LHS and RHS, it would be a significant way or a systematic way to solve the equations and get a proper perfect answer. The answer would be same in both the cases if you solve with both the sides consecutively, simultaneously, but the presentation matters. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 0 into minus 1 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 into 7 is 0. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 7 into 7 is 49. This is a 4 mark sum, so you have to do it very systematically with a calm mind. 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9, 0 plus 49 is 49. This is LHS, you can copy it down. You can even copy by pausing the video. I hope you have copied it. I'm not rubbing this. I'm writing it here for my reference, otherwise I'll forget it. So now we take RHS. It was 2 0 minus 1 7, 9 into 8, 9 here into A plus M into I was 1 0 0 1. So is equals to 9 2 is 18, 9 0 is 0, 9 minus 1 is minus 9, 9 into 7 is 63, 9 7 are 63, plus you multiply M inside M 0 0 M. So 18 plus M, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 9 plus 0 is minus 9, and 63 plus M. So this is our RHS. We equate LHS and RHS. What do we get? 40 minus 10, 49. Equating both sides is equals to 18 plus M, 0 minus 9, 63 plus M. So now we take this term, first term here, 4 is equals to 18 plus M. M we take it here. M is here, we take 18 on the LHS. So 4 minus 18. So M is equals to, what is 4 minus 18? It's minus 14. So this is the value of M. I hope you can copy it down. So I hope you have completed it. I've copied it. Can anyone copy by pausing the video? So I hope the ink is over. I have to refill the ink. I have a safety pen. So we move on to the last term for our day. Then we'll stop. Then our matrix chapter gets over, or matrices gets over. A is equals to 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3. B is equals to 0 to 1 minus 1. C is equals to minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1. So we have, the condition is given as a square minus a plus bc. So First, if you want to present the sum in a good way, in a good looking way, you first solve a square. You have the value of a as it is, and then you solve bc. Understanding? So first I solve a square. So a square is equals to 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3. Into 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3. So 4 4s are 16. Minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. 4 minus 2 is 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. And minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. 6 into 4 is 24. Minus 3 into 6 is minus 18. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 3 into minus 3 is, see again I am explaining you this multiplication thing. First row with first column, first row with second column. First row with first column we get here as this. First row with second column we get this. Second row with first column we get this. Then second row with second column we get this. I hope you are understanding. So 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Sorry, plus 9. So we get this here as 16 minus 20 is 4. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. 24 minus 8 is 6. 12 minus 12 plus 9 is minus 3. So I hope you can copy it down. Then we'll solve then we'll solve BC. A it's given to us. Then we'll complete the sum. I hope you have copied it. You can even copy by pausing the video. So the value of a square is as it is. It's not changed. 16 minus 12 is 4. Minus 8 plus is minus 2. 24 minus 8 is 6. And then minus 12 plus 19 is minus 3 as it is. Now we find BC. 0 to 1 minus 1. Minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1. So BC we get here as 0 into minus 2 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2. 0 into 3 is 0. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 2, minus 2, minus 3, 4. So you can copy it down. The value of BC we get as 2 minus 2 minus 3, 4. So I hope you have copied it. So now we multiply the whole thing. We solve the whole thing. We get here as a square. We got as it is 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3 minus a. 4 minus 2, 6 minus 3 plus BC we get here as 2 minus 2 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 2 minus 3, 4. Now See friends, if you want to save time, you don't have to solve the whole thing. You can see both the matrices are equal. You can easily cancel it out, or you can just write. If you want to see that both matrices are not this, the subtraction of both matrices is not 0, you just see 4 minus 4 is 0, minus 2 minus 2 is 0, that is minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, minus 3 of plus 3 is 0. So the whole matrix is 0. If you want to show it, you can even show. If not, you can even not. So plus 2 minus 2 minus 3, 4. So we finally get the answer as 2 minus 2 minus 3 and 4. We can copy it down. So I hope you have copied it. If not, you can even copy by pausing the video. So I hope you liked the video. You have understood the topics of matrix. And if you liked our video, you can subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.